वह बहुत अच्छा है. He is very good. He is very good. मुझे अभी जाना है. I have to go now. I have to go now. क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? मुझे उससे बात करनी है. I need to talk to him. I need to talk to him. ये आसान काम है. It's an easy task. It's an easy task. मुझे अब मदद चाहिए. I need help now. I need help now. क्या तुम मुझसे सहमत हो? Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? मुझे वह पसंद आया. I liked that. I liked that. उसने कुछ नहीं कहा. He said nothing. He said nothing. क्या ये सच है? Is it true? Is it true? मुझे अब तक यकीन नहीं. I still don't believe. I still don't believe. उसने मुझसे मदद मांगी. He asked me for help. He asked me for help. ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. This is very important. This is very important. मुझे उसे समझने दो. Let me understand him. Let me understand him. क्या ये सही समय है? Is this the right time? Is this the right time? उसने मेरे सवाल का जवाब दिया. He answered my question. He answered my question. मुझे यह जानना है. I need to know this. I need to know this. यह बिल्कुल स्पष्ट है. This is absolutely clear. This is absolutely clear. मुझे और समय चाहिए. I need more time. I need more time. उसने मेरी मदद की. He helped me. He helped me. मुझे वह जगह पसंद आई. I liked that place. I liked that place. वह हमेशा समय पर आता है. He always comes on time. He always comes on time. मुझे ये याद है. I remember this. I remember this. उसने मुझसे झूठ बोला. He lied to me. He lied to me. मुझे वह करना है. I have to do that. I have to do that. क्या तुमने ये बनाया? Did you make this? Did you make this? मेरे लिए कठिन है. This is hard for me. This is hard for me. वह मुझसे नाराज है. He is angry with me. He is angry with me. क्या ये तुम्हारे लिए सही है? Is this right for you? Is this right for you? मुझे कुछ और चाहिए. I need something else. I need something else. उसने मुझे ये दिया. He gave me this. He gave me this. ये बहुत सुंदर है. This is very beautiful. This is very beautiful. मुझे अब आराम करना है. I need to rest now. I need to rest now. मुझे तुम्हारा जवाब चाहिए. I need your answer. I need your answer. ये मेरी जिम्मेदारी है. This is my responsibility. This is my responsibility. उसने मुझसे कुछ छुपाया. He hid something from me. He hid something from me. क्या ये तुम्हारा विचार था? Was this your idea? Was this your idea? उसने सब कुछ किया. He did everything. He did everything. मुझे उसे भूलना है. I need to forget him. I need to forget him. ये कब खत्म होगा? When will this end? When will this end? मुझे उसकी आदत है. I am used to him. I am used to him. उसने मुझे निराश किया. He disappointed me. He disappointed me. क्या तुमने उसे बताया? Did you tell him? Did you tell him? मुझे उसे रोकना होगा. I have to stop him. I have to stop him. ये काम कब होगा? When will this work? When will this work? मुझे ये सीखने दो. Let me learn this. Let me learn this. क्या तुमने ये सुना? Did you hear this? Did you hear this? उसने मुझे कुछ सिखाया. He taught me something. He taught me something. ये मेरे लिए खास है. This is special for me. This is special for me. मुझे इसे जल्दी करना है. I have to do this quickly. I have to do this quickly. उसने कुछ भी नहीं किया. He did nothing. He did nothing. मुझे अब भूख लगी है. I am hungry now. I am hungry now. ये मेरे लिए आसान है. This is easy for me. This is easy for me. उसने मुझे परेशान किया. He troubled me. He troubled me. मुझे उसकी बात पसंद आई. I liked his words. I liked his words. क्या तुमने इसे देखा? Did you see this? Did you see this? ये बहुत जल्दी हो गया. It happened very fast. It happened very fast. मुझे इससे नफरत है. I hate this. I hate this. ये मेरा कर्तव्य है. This is my duty. This is my duty. उसने मुझे पहचान लिया. He recognized me. He recognized me. मुझे उसकी कहानी सुननी है। आई नीड टू हियर हिज स्टोरी। आई नीड टू हियर हिज स्टोरी। ये किसने किया? हु डिड दिस? हु डिड दिस? क्या ये संभव है? इज दिस पॉसिबल? इज दिस पॉसिबल? उसने मेरी मदद की। He helped me. He helped me. मुझे वे व्यक्ति पसंद है। I like that person. I like that person. मुझे उसे धन्यवाद देना है। I have to thank him. I have to thank him. वह मुझसे सहमत था। He agreed with me. He agreed with me. ये काम मेरे लिए है। This task is for me. This task is for me. क्या ये काम आसान है? Is this task easy? Is this task easy? मुझे उससे मदद चाहिए। I need help from him. I need help from him. वह हमेशा ईमानदार है। He is always honest. He is always honest. मुझे उसके साथ रहना है। I have to stay with him. I have to stay with him. क्या तुमने ये देखा? Did you see that? Did you see that? मुझे इसका जवाब चाहिए। I need the answer to this. I need the answer to this. मुझे इस पर यकीन नहीं। I don't believe this. I don't believe this. ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। It looks very good. It looks very good. मुझे इसकी चिंता है। I am worried about this. I am worried about this. क्या तुम खुश हो? Are you happy? Are you happy? उसने मुझे रोक लिया। He stopped me. He stopped me. मुझे उससे बात करनी है। I need to talk to him. I need to talk to him. ये क्यों हुआ? Why did this happen? Why did this happen? मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। I don't need anything. I don't need anything. क्या ये तुम्हारे लिए है? Is this for you? Is this for you? उसने मेरे साथ वादा किया। He made a promise to me. He made a promise to me. ये तुम्हारा काम है। This is your work. This is your work. मुझे इसे समझने दो। Let me understand this. Let me understand this. उसने अपना समय लिया। He took his time. He took his time. क्या तुमने ये देखा? Did you see this? Did you see this? वह मुझसे सहमत नहीं है। He doesn't agree with me. He doesn't agree with me. मुझे इसकी आदत है। I am used to it. I am used to it. ये मेरी जिम्मेदारी है. This is my responsibility. This is my responsibility. क्या तुम मुझे बुला रहे हो? Are you calling me? Are you calling me? मुझे ये समझ नहीं आया. I didn't understand this. I didn't understand this. वह मेरे साथ खेल रहा था. He was playing with me. He was playing with me. मुझे इसकी जानकारी नहीं है. I have no idea about this. I have no idea about this. उसने मुझसे झूठ बोला. He lied to me. He lied to me. क्या तुमने उसे रोका? Did you stop him? Did you stop him? मुझे इसके बारे में नहीं पता. I don't know about this. I don't know about this. उसने मेरे सवाल का जवाब दिया. He answered my question. He answered my question. मुझे उससे कोई उम्मीद नहीं. I have no hope from him. I have no hope from him. ये बहुत मुश्किल है. It's very difficult. It's very difficult. क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? मुझे ये समझ में आया. I understood this. I understood this. मुझे इस पर यकीन है. I believe in this. I believe in this. उसने मुझे नज़रअंदाज किया. He ignored me. He ignored me. मुझे ये पसंद आया. I liked it. I liked it. वह हमेशा समय पर आता है. He always comes on time. He always comes on time. मुझे अब आराम चाहिए. I need rest now. I need rest now. इसी के साथ हमारी आज की वीडियो हो चुकी है कंप्लीट. आई होप कि आपको ये वीडियो में से कुछ अच्छा सीखने को मिला होगा. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक और कमेंट करके हमें ज़रूर बताएं. ऐसी और वीडियोस को देखने के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू सो मच.